It will be the first electric offering from the Japanese brand in India. The Suzuki Burgman electric scooter has now been spotted again, and going by the fresh set of images, it's clear that the electric scooter is in its final stages of testing. We expect the Suzuki electric scooter to make its debut in the first half of 2021, carrying a sticker price of around Rs 1.20 lakh and competing against the Bajaj Chetak and TVS iQube electric. The test scooter doesn't have an exhaust port, confirming that it's powered by an electric motor, and the rear monoshock suspension has been revised to accommodate the power plant. Visually, the bike looks exactly similar to the Burgman Street, and the only difference is the white and blue dualtone shade on the test mule. Suzuki might have opted for the Burgman to debut its first electric scooter rather than the Access 125 to justify its premium pricing, and also the fact that Burgman is its premium range of scooters globally. While we don't have any details of the electric motor's specs, we feel it would be on the lines of the Chetak or the iQube, and not as powerful or advanced as the Ather 450X. So expect the performance to be on par with 110cc scooters. If Suzuki does manage to launch the new Burgman electric scooter in the first half of 2021, then it will become the first Japanese brand in India to launch an electric product. Honda has been rumored to be working on an electric scooter based on the PCX for India, but no details of the project have been made public yet. Hero MotoCorp will also be entering the electric two-wheeler space with the Maestro Electric in 2021.